Today I'm gonna show you a plants that is special plants. It's a unique plants that is mostly cures for medicinal purposes. Let's see. Here we go. Here are the plants and also plants that's grown here, but we need to identify which the plants is useful. And most of the plants are useful for medicinal purposes, but there are unique plants that was grown. And here I have seen this is a plant that is familiar, and this is familiar to a Bryophyllum plants. It's a name Bryophyllum. It cures for throat and like asthma and others purposes. They're like fevers, headache, and most of the like problems that can solve by these plants. And here one plants, and these are the plants. Look at this.